Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah. Okay, so dear lovely friends, now I am going to on the Brahmaputra river, actually all around side and Brahmaputra river, and now I'm going to cross the Brahmaputra river because my actually it's called um, খড়ি সো খড়ি আনতে যাইতেছি সো দিস ইজ দ্য desert and Brahmaputra desert and it's called Balusor. So you know today actually very sunny and sunny the sun very shine, so that's why I take my towel like gamsa. Okay, so and now I am making on video, so like only one for me and I'm walking on the Balusor. No any man. This is the big field. Okay. So in our village and this place, I think 3 or 4 kilometer distance. 3 kilometer distance. Okay. So on river already cross and this is the middle point for both river and on river and another river I will cross and I can share with you like this video and this video watch and dear friends. Wow, this is the I don't know this English meaning and এটাকে বলে আমাদের আঞ্চলিক ভাষায় বলে কাইসা। এটাকে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, এগুলো হচ্ছে নদীর বালুর চর, কাইসার চর এটাকে বলে। আর এদিকে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন একটা গরু রয়েছে, তারপর অনেকটাই গরম, প্রচন্ড গরম, তারপরে রয়েছে বাতাস। আমি এখন প্রায় আশা পাইলাম, সো নাও very nervous feel for making video and learning English video. Okay, because after a long time I walk and 4 kilometer walking already, like this is the Balusor, so very nervous feel. So dear friends, you can see this is the big river and Brahmaputra river, and dear lovely friends, now I'm walking this Brahmaputra river on the river and now I will cross this river, and as we can see this is the river. Wow, so you can see all side only water. Okay, the two person already middle on the river and I also cross the river. Wow, now I I have already crossed this river and you can see this is the river and now I am walking on the river. Okay, so You can see this is the river, and now I am climbing the river, and wow, this is the very amazing scenery, जबरदस्त. wow, क्योंकि ये ब्रह्मपुत्र का रिवर है, वेरी जबरदस्त सीनरी है. सो